But I just want to show you the amount of stuff that you're getting in this collection, the amount of papers. This is going to last you a long time. And our very generous angel policy means that because Creative Crafting World will buy the commercial license for artwork, we can then pass it on to you, which means that then if you want to make your finished items and sell them for your own personal profit, then you can do that. And also give to charity as well if you want to. So starting off with your paper kit, you've got 36 sheets, 6 designs, 6 of each, and you've also got your die cut toppers. Now your die cut toppers will be in the back of the pad, and you've got 4 of each of these. So you've got your circles and you've got your squares with the extra sentiments on there, perfectly sized to fit with our nesting dies or our doily dies. Then just look how beautiful these papers are. They are absolutely glorious, and I can be thinking of loads of things you can use these for because they're uncoated. You can add your inks to them, die cut them, make them into flowers. The possibilities are just immense with this collection, and this dark green is so lovely. Look, works perfectly with all of the beautiful pinks and creams. So that's your paper kit. If you're after that on its own, normally that would cost you £12.99. Today the offer is £6.99. Obviously apply your discounts to that if you are a club member. Next up, we've got the embellishment pad, again 36 sheets, 6 designs, 8x8, 150 GSM, uncoated, loads of sentiments, and your relatives there as well. We've got the square toppers with these beautiful florals, then your paper borders, then you've got your paper panels. I love this one. That would be a fabulous bookmark, wouldn't it? Then you've got more of your toppers, these with the circles in there. And then even more sentiments with different colour backgrounds. You'll see everything's colour coordinated. Happy anniversary with love. Thank you for being the special person you are, with love on your special day. And your extended family, so stepmum, stepdad, niece, nephew, sister-in-law, etc. So that is your embellishment pad. Now your embellishment pad would normally be £9.99. Today it is £4.99. Next up, we've got the inserts. So your inserts, 40 sheets, 10 designs, 4 of each, A4 in size now. I use these on the outside of my cards, as you saw in that previous demo. This is 120 GSM uncoated. So I am just going to have a quick flick through these. You'll see you've got these beautiful areas here. So add your stamps in there, run them through your printer and add your printed sentiments to them. They're just absolutely beautiful. All of these gorgeous roses, the rosebuds, and look at the watercolour effect that you get in here as well, right the way through the collection. Absolute stunners these are. I've not seen this collection before, and I have to say I'm a tiny bit in love with it because it just is so pretty. I love this colourway here with that. Can you imagine that as a wedding bouquet? It'd be beautiful, wouldn't it, with the lilacs in it? Gorgeous scented. Then more of those beautiful areas with the white in it, so you can add your own designs. And then another one of the borders. There we go. So that is your insert collection, which would normally be £9.99. And today, if you do want to add that in individually, it's £4.99. And then finally, the coloured card collection, which is 24 sheets, 8 colours. I'll show you the packaging as well, because you've got all of these extra bits and bobs. Always have a look at our packaging because we give away freebies. Look, this is free because it's the same as this. Let me get the right colour. Look, it's the same. Freebies. Always have a look at the freebies. And now I'm going to give this a wiggle and then just flick through. So you've got the shades of pink and green, and then of course you've got those lovely neutral colours there. So if you want an extra one of those, normally the coloured cardstock would be £12.99 as a pack. Today it is £5.99, so if you want to add an extra one of those in, then feel free.